Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Previous lesson we finished our category controller with its all pages. Now we're going to continue with the next one, which is going to be contact page. Alright, actually I can add contact to the about section, but I'm gonna make it a different page because I'm going to use some kind of filter. I'm gonna explain everything when it comes to talk about it, but now just know that just know one thing. I'm going to use a filter which is going to be both above and contact. So I'm gonna do this separately, but we can use this contact section like a social media. We can add another uh, entity here, public, whatever it is, contact add view model like that, and we can amend our about pages and we can carry on how we like to do. Okay, all right, but I'm going to do separately. All right, let's open our controller area. Let's create a controller. Contact controller. First one is has to be always at your area. Let's delete it. Private read only I contact service. Create our constructor and let's start copy and paste now. Contact service. Let's copy all of them and take the contact. Start amending. Get contact list. Get all list async. Contact list. Add contact. Add contact. Contact add view model. We amending step by step to make it quickly because I'm not gonna waste time doing the same thing because I'm doing million times the same things. So, but if I were you, I'm gonna write every single method every time, step by step, because you need to get used to how to create the methods, and it's a good practice. It will be a good practice for you. I did everything, but now I'm tired to do same thing every single project. So I'm just copying and pasting to show you. The contact, another contact here. Update contact. Contact update. Update contact. Get contact list. Contact. Delete a contact. Get contact list. Alright, okay, it's done. Control RJ. Let's create our methods now. Add view, browser view, add. Now we're going to copy and paste the table from one to the other. So we're going to finish all controllers like that. Add model contact. Now we need listing method. List contact list view model. Control dot namespace. Here we go. Cut and paste to the view import. Close that one. Now get back to the category list, copy everything and pass to the contact. Contact us. Let's copy that contact. Oops, dashboard. We keep dashboard. Contact us. So what we're gonna show here? Nah, these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Okay. So we need um. So no, this is category. What I'm doing? Let's go to contact. Where is the contact? Yeah, here we go. Oh my god, let's control Z. 2, 3. So close that one. Contact list. Location, email, call, map. Location. Email. Call. And map. Created date. Update date, edit and delete. Alright. Location. Email. Call. Map. Actually, I'm not gonna show map. Yeah, I'm gonna do something different. Let's keep it as it is, and I'm gonna change it because this is going to be a link, and the Google embedment links it might be really long, so it's gonna make dirty our tables. Probably we're going to change, but not now. Contact, update and delete. Done. Perfect. Add contacts. Contact. All right. All done. Let's have a quick look. Get contact list. Yeah. Location, email, call, map. Created the update. Uh, this is a test text, so when we use the real link, it's going to be long and it might be seen dirty. So I'm gonna change it with something else. All right. Now everything is good. The page seems good. Um, let's do something here. If come here. Control X at what can I do? Item dot map. Uh, hmm. Let's do if else. It's better. If at item dot map dot map map. Where is our at? Do we at? Never mind. Null uh, or I can use length 0. I can use that one, or item dot map null, or item dot map string empty. Okay. Is there any problem? Difference null here. An exception? No. Okay. This is no need. So I'm gonna use a string empty. Alright. Um, use assigned. So it's empty, right? It's not assigned. Else it's going to be assigned. Perfect. Alright. We're going to test it later. Let's continue with the add method, add contact, add view, browser view. Waiting. I'm waiting Visual Studio to create my small page. Add model, contact, add view model, and let's copy from how many form I have? 4, right? I'm gonna copy from let's copy from here. No, I'm gonna copy from here. Okay. I don't need those two. 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. These two, these three are going to be automatically. I need 4 form, 4 input. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete these two and the rest of them. Admin, let's change with the category add new contact. Contact, get contact list, contact, add, again contact, and we don't have any image, I'm gonna delete it. Input, location, and call and email and map, map and map, and all of them is going to a text. or we can do it email. Perfect. All right, email, text, text, contact. All right, adding section is done, I guess. Let's make the update. We're waiting Visual Studio again and again. Come on, Visual Studio. Add model, contact, update view model. Let's add section. Control C. Control V. Make it update. Get contact list. Update. Again an update. The rest of them is going to be same. Right, let's have a look. Okay. Alright. What about delete? I guess all of them must be working right now within browser. Normally in this project we're going to allow to add just one contact. We're not able to add the second, third and fourth. So I'm going to do this configuration when we start our filters, because we're going to provide with the filters. Alright, let's just add a new contact just for try. Test. Map. I'm going to change this map. Yes, call location. Call in email. It's going to be here, this line, and map going to take whole line for itself. Alright, I'm going to fix that one as well. Let's make submit. Yeah, here we go. And let's edit it. Submit. Oops. There is a problem here. Let's have a look. There is update concurrency exception. Yeah, why we have this concurrency exception? Because we didn't add our input hidden. So this concurrency is here for keep our data stabilized. Okay, so if we didn't send our concurrency information with raw version property, it's a problem. Let's have a look. See that we didn't send our ID and our concurrency. If I send our raw version, it's going to be an ID problem here. Now I am going to add those two sections here. Alright, let's try it one more time. Let's edit. Submit. As you see, all done. Let's delete it. It's gone. Perfect. It's working. Let's close this table. Close all tabs. Minimize all. Perfect. Let's have a look which entity we're going to do next. Home page. Alright guys, let's finish this lesson here. Next lesson we're going to start with the home page controller and its CSHTML pages, and we're going to finish our controller site step by step. Obviously we're going to do too many back and forward to improve our project, but for now we're doing the basics and we're going to upgrade our project. Take care of yourself. See you next lesson. Bye bye.